Hello, good day, dear teachers. I'm Bolat Gauhar and I am an English teacher. I work at Rahat No. 1 school. I would like to congratulate you with the Language Day, the English language widely spoken and a vital language. With the English language, you can get new opportunities and you can get the opportunity for new technologies and the quality knowledge. The English language will bring the bright future in our lives. In my point of view, the future of our country is well-educated generation. Nowadays, we have to speak into 3 languages: Kazakh, Russian, and the English. Now you can see the work of my students, watch and enjoy. Peace.
Good day, dear teachers. I'm Azalia Kenai. Today, English is the language of the world. Our first president, Nursultan Nazarbayev, said we have to know 3 languages as Kazakh, Russian, and English. That is why pupils have got foreign languages at school. Everybody knows his own languages, but it's useful to know foreign languages.
Hello, my dear teachers. I'm Sansibay Nursevli. My favorite subject is English and I love it. English. E is for English, my favorite subject. N is for 9, my favorite number. G is for guitar, my favorite instrument. L is for lion, my favorite animal. I is for ice cream, my favorite sweet. S is for swimming, my favorite sport. H is for hello, my favorite word.
Good day, I am Bazarbay Nurjan. Using English by everyone. Speaking English is very fun. Don't be shy and show your greatness.